Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Cleansing Foam Wash in All Bright with Hibiscus by Botanics. I really love this line of skincare products, Botanics. They have a few different collections within their line, and I really like the All Bright with Hibiscus for my skin type, which is it's kind of like combination skin type. I get sometimes my T-zone is really dry, sometimes it's really oily. It's different all the time, which is why I really like this one, which is actually, it says it's for all skin types. So it does have a description of this face wash, and it says that this foaming soap-free face wash infused with natural exfoliants from the hibiscus plant gently lifts away dirt, excess oil, and impurities from the surface of the skin. The complexion is left feeling clean and looking brighter. And I do think that that is true. My face does feel so much cleaner, and like I said, it's not like, it doesn't have soap, which is so strange to me, but it does clean my face. It gets dirt off my face. I use it after like a facial cleansing wipe. I go in with this and it doesn't get super sudsy. Maybe that's because it doesn't have soap, and so that's why it doesn't get really sudsy. But yeah, it's just, I really like it. It doesn't have like the most amazing smell. Like, it's not like a flowery smell. Like, it has hibiscus. You would think it has like a nice floral scent. It doesn't. It smells like something that's gonna get you clean, and that's about it. So unfortunately that it doesn't have the best smell, but I usually go over it with like moisturizers and toners and things like that, so it's not that big of a deal. If you are looking for something, like, you're just gonna use this and then go, like, and you want it to smell good, I wouldn't recommend this. But if you're looking for just an cleanser to use as part of your whole skincare routine, I definitely do really like this one. So it has your lists of ingredients right on the back. The first ingredient listed is water, which I love. If you've seen any of my heard me talk about anything else, you will know that I love water-based products versus oil-based products. Yeah, and then it just has more. It says that they've taken steps to reduce their impact on the planet at every stage in the product's journey. It's people tested, and it also has no parabens, which is always really great to know. So it's people tested, so that to me means they're telling me that they did not test this on animals, which is great. It says our beauty scientists have worked with world experts in plant science at Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew, London, bring you plant-powered skincare that really works. So that's another thing I love about this, is that it's natural. I love plant-based things. I love things that have ingredients that are just found in nature. I feel like, you know, things that are out in nature are what we should be using. We shouldn't be applying, like, you know, all of these chemicals and things that are just man-made to our bodies. So yeah, that's my little spiel there, but I'll get off my soapbox now. This is a 5 fluid ounce tube, so unfortunately this isn't something that you can like throw in your carry-on. If you're getting on a plane, you can't go through TSA with it because it's too big. But it is a pretty, like, it's not like huge though, so like if you were not flying, it'll fit easily in like just a weekend bag, or it's also not going to take up much room in like a suitcase that you check in. So that's really great. When you first buy this, you do have to twist this open. Well, I close it too hard sometimes. You have to twist it open. Okay, it's not going to open for me. But when I bought it, I did have to twist the tube open because it had like a little foil over it, which again is something that I always love, because then I know I'm getting all of the product and no one at the store has like tried to smell it or like just use any of the at all. You can see the consistency, which is what I'm going to show you now. It is a clear, I'm going to use it, shake it down a little bit. It has a clear consistency. You can see it's like a yellowish clear. There you go. Just like rub it in on my hand. You can't even see it because it's clear. There you go. It kind of gets a little soapy. even though there's not any soap in it. So yeah, like I said, again, it just has like a nice fresh clean smell. It's not like floral or fruity or anything like that. You're gonna smell clean, but you're gonna smell like you just washed your face, basically. So yeah, let's see, it was made in the UK. Got some information there on the back. Yeah, and then it has your directions. You just use it like any other soap. You just apply it to damp skin, so make sure your face is damp. You work it into a foam, and then rinse well with warm water. That is also key. Definitely always use warm water, warm to cold water. You don't ever want to use hot water on your skin, just like another note for you. So yeah, I really love this cleanser. I really love this brand. There are different types in this brand. There's like, I think 4. They have like different colors. But yeah, I would highly recommend checking out this brand for like an all-natural, plant-based cleanser. And they have more than cleanser. They have moisturizers, toners, anything you can think of. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.